Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create this beautiful animation template using PowerPoint. This template can be used to add your training content into 6 different sections, and each content can be shown using this sliding animation. By the way, this animation is done using MORPH Transition in PowerPoint. So without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial and learn how to create this animated template. As usual, let's first go to View tab and then enable the guides. Let's create a new vertical guide and drag it to the extreme left edge of this slide. Create another vertical guide and drag it to extreme right edge of this slide. And obviously, we will use these guides to align our shapes. Next, right click on the slide, choose Format Background and apply light shade color using eyedropper tool and color palettes. Now go to Insert tab and then draw a rectangle shape to cover the entire slide. Change its fill color to next shade of the color using eyedropper tool. Also apply the shadow effect with right offset, transparency equal to 65%, blur equal to 10 points, and then distance equal to 4 points. Looks good so far. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a top corner rounded rectangle shape. Increase its corner roundness, adjust the size, rotate it vertically, and place it along the rectangle shape as shown. Also remove its outline and change its fill color to white. Next, we will add a text field into this shape. So let's go to Insert tab. Choose the text box, drag it over to edit, type in topic number 1, align it to middle, increase the font size, make it bold, and very important, match its font color with the bigger rectangle shape. Rotate it vertically and place it over the rounded rectangle shape. Finally, select both rectangle shapes along with the text box and then group them together. Next, duplicate this entire group using Ctrl+D and align it as shown. Change the fill color of rectangle shape to next shade of the color. Edit the topic sequence in the text box and match its font color with the rectangle shape. Similarly, we will duplicate this group 4 more times to make it total of 6. Change the fill colors of rectangle shape to next available shades. Match the font colors accordingly, and also edit the topic sequence numbers. At last, you will have the rectangle shape with the darker shade and with the topic sequence number as 6, obviously with darker font color. Let me zoom out a bit and select all 6 groups holding down Shift key, and then drag them to align to leftmost vertical guide as shown. Now since slide background is visible on the right major portion, let's add a text box and add the main topic name. As an example, I will add it as Training Presentation Template and format it by increasing the font size, making it bold, and changing its color. Looks perfect so far. Now from here onwards, the steps I show to create this template are a bit important. Let's duplicate the first slide, and on the second slide, drag the topic number 1 group to rightmost vertical guide. Let's delete the existing text and then add the contents for topic number 1. So let's go to Insert tab and then draw a rounded rectangle shape. Reduce its roundness, make it no fill, and then change its outline color to white. Now again go to Insert tab and then add a text box and type in topic number 1. Let's do some basic text formatting, align it properly, and then duplicate it using Ctrl+D. Here, let's add the heading text and increase its font size. Again duplicate this text box to add additional details of topic number 1. Change the font style if required. reduce the size, remove its boldness, and then add more content into this text box. Now let's add a tick mark icon by choosing Icons under Insert tab. Search the icon and then insert it. Change its fill color to white and then reduce its size. Let's add some text details against the checkbox and then duplicate them 3 more times. Looks perfect. Next we will animate all these elements. Let's select the rounded rectangle shape, go to Animations menu and apply Split Animation. Click on the animation pane to enable it and slightly expand it. With first animation selected, start it after previous and reduce the duration to 0.25 seconds. Next, drag and select all the text fields. Apply fade animation. Start them after previous and reduce the duration to 0.25 seconds. Let's select these 4 text boxes and start them with previous so that they will animate along with their checkbox PNG icons. Finally, select second slide and apply MORPH Transition. That's how it animates. And reduce the duration to 1 second. Now duplicate second slide and on third slide, copy all elements of topic number 1, delete them, drag the topic number 2 group and align it as shown, and now paste the topic number 1 content onto it. Align them to center and change the topic sequence number to 2. Next duplicate third slide and on fourth slide, delete all elements of topic number 2, drag the topic number 3 group and align it as shown, and now paste topic number 1 content onto it. Again align them to center and change the topic sequence number to 3. We need to follow the same steps of duplicating the slide, deleting the existing content, dragging the topic slide to the right, pasting the new content, and then changing the topic sequence. Finally, we must have total of 7 slides with topic number 6 content on the last slide. All animations and transitions will be carried forward since we are just duplicating the slides. So here is the final preview of this beautiful training presentation template. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Stay tuned for next tutorial.